Good day, children. A very good morning and good afternoon to you all. Good day to you. I hope you all are doing well and taking care of yourselves and your parents. So, I am back with you here, Exponents Part 3, which is Class 8 Mathematics, Chapter number 8. In the previous videos, we have learned about the laws and we have revised them as well. So, now we go into some solving of sums. The first question is from your exemplar in NCERT exemplar. All the questions are from NCERT exemplar 114. The number of red blood cells per cubic millimeter of blood is approximately 5.5 million. If the average body contains 5 liters of blood, what is the total number of red cells in the body? Write in standard form. Now, average body contains 5 liters of blood. Number of blood cells per cubic millimeter is 5.5 million. So blood contained is 5 liter, which is 5 into 1 lakh millimeter cube, which is RBCs, which has been told to you. So blood will actually have 5.5 into 10,1,000,000 into 5, which is your 5 liters, into 1,000,000. Therefore, 55 into 5 into 10 raised to power 5 plus 5. Now, 55 into 5, if you do, it becomes 275 into 10 raised to power 10, which is actually, if you put it in standard form, it becomes 2.75 into 10 raised to power 12. Okay, so now we go on to question number 24. The cells of a bacteria double every 30 minutes. That means every half an hour the cell of the bacteria doubles. A scientist begins with a cell. How many cells will be there after 12 hours and after 24 hours? So there are two parts of this question. 124th question answer, just have a look. A cell in 30 minutes, one cell becomes 2. So in 1 hour it becomes 2 square. Right? That is not 22, it's supposed to be 2 square. Similarly, in 12 hours, it should be 2 square into 2 square into 2 square, like that 12 times, which is equal to 2 raised to power 24. Similarly, in 24 hours, bacteria is supposed to be 2 raised to power 48. So this is the way we find out the total number of bacteria. Now question number 125. Planet A is at a distance of 9.35 into 10 raised to power 6 kilometers from Earth, and the planet B is 6.27 into 10 to the power 7 kilometers from Earth. Which planet is nearer to the Earth? It is very clear here because both of them are in standard form. So 6.27 is 10 into 10 raised to power 7 is greater. So A is closer to the 126 question number. The cells of a bacteria double every hour. Now, the previous one was every half an hour. Now, it is every hour. So, how many cells will be there after 8 hours? Okay. Now, cell doubles every hour. That means 1 plus 1, 2. That means 2 raised to power 1. This is also 2 raised to power 1. Process starts with one cell. So total number of cells in 8 hours will be 2 raised to power 1 into 2 raised to power 1 into like that till 8 times. So finally it is going to be 2 raised to power 8. These are not 21. This is actually 2 raised to power 1 and 2 raised to power 8. Now come to question number 171, 172, 173 and 174 of exemplar. First question, the diameter of the sun is 1.4 into 10 raised to power 6 meters. 10 raised to power 9 meters, and the diameter of the earth is 1.2756 into 10 raised to power 7 meters. Compare the diameters by division. So for comparison, we need to change both the diameter into the same power. One is in 7 raised to power 7 and one is raised to power 9. So 1.2756 into 10 raised to power 7 becomes 0.012756 into 10 raised to power 9. Now when we compare while dividing, the bigger number will be on top. So 1.4 into 10 raised to power 9 divided by 0.012756 into 10 raised to power 9. 10 raised to power 9 and 10 raised to power 9 get cancelled. 9 minus 9 becomes 0. And when you divide 1.4 by 0.012756, it will actually come approximately to 110. That means the sun's diameter is actually 110 times of the Earth's diameter. Okay, it's 172. Mass of Mars is 6.42 into 10 raised to power 29 kg and mass of the Sun is 1.99 into 10 raised to power 30 kg. What is the total mass? Mass of the Sun, both of them are in 29 and 30, so we have to change one of them. So mass of the Sun becomes 19.9 into 10 raised to power 29. So on adding both the distances, 6.42 plus 19.9 into 10 raised to power 29, it becomes 26.32 into 10 raised to power 29. Or to change it into standard form, it becomes 2.632 into 10 raised to power 30. Now question number 173. The distance between the Sun and the Earth is 1.496 into 10 raised to power 8 kilometers, and distance between the Earth and the Moon is 3.84 into 10 raised to power 8 meters. See, that distance is given in kilometers and this is given in meter. This is a very important thing first. During the solar eclipse, the Moon comes in between the Earth and the Sun. What is the distance between the Moon and the Sun at that particular time? Now our first job is to change the kilometer into meter or the meter into kilometer, whatever seems better. I think we can change it into meters. So distance between the Moon and the Sun, 1496 into 10 raised to power 8 minus 3.84 into 10 raised to power 8. Both are in meters now. So the answer, if you minus 1496 minus 3.84, because 10 raised to power 8 is common, that remains. So it becomes 1492 into 10 raised to power 8 approximately, or 1.492 into 10 raised to power 11 meters. You can convert this further into kilometers also, but if you leave it like that, this also is correct. A particular star, question number 174. A particular star is at a distance of about 8.1 into 10 raised to power 13 kilometers from the Earth. Assuring that the light travels at 3.3 into 10 raised to power 8 meters per second, find how long does the light take from the star to reach the Earth. Now again, another thing which you have to remember, that is the other one, the star's distance is given in kilometers, while the the light travel is per meter. So we have to change the kilometer into meter. So we thus have to divide the distance by speed, because we want to know we need to find the time. So first convert distance into meters. That is 8.1 into 10 raised to power 13 into 10 raised to power 3, because we are changing it into meters, divided by 3 into 10 raised to power 8. It should be 10 raised to power 8. Now when we do 8.1 into 10 raised to power 16 divided by 3 into 10 raised to power 8, it becomes 8.1 by 3 into 10 raised to power 8. If you divide 8.1 by 3 approximately, you will get 2.7. So 2.7 into 10 raised to power 8 seconds is the answer. Always remember that you have to bring both the values, both the units in the same. This is the mind map which has been prepared for you on exponents. You can make this, or you can make something on your own. Write exponents in the middle. How does it look like with 2 raised to power 5, where 2 is the base and 5 is the exponent. Then we did the product, we did the laws. In that laws we did product law, quotient law, power law, exponent law, zero law, and this one or another law. And there was another fractional law. I have not written that. You can put it on. So these were the laws. You can just write them. You can write examples also with them. This is just a small example of mind map which you had done with for rational numbers also. In between, for pie chart and histogram, we don't need to make a mind map because it's a single unit, single learning. So here again we need to make, if you don't like this, you can please do something else. So along with the laws and sums that we solved, exponents has an important part of scientific notation, which is conversion from scientific notation to normal and vice versa. Okay. So children, I think with this we come to an end of our chapter, and the homework which has been given to you is this. It is one question, question number 180 from exemplar. It has got 6 parts. You will take your time and do it. Homework assignment is not supposed to be sent to me, sent to sir or ma'am, but it is supposed to be done. And all the homework assignments, the answers will be shortly put up on your website so that you can check. A few reminders before I say goodbye. You have to do the delta step. You have to do Mind Spark. You have to do your project. You have to go to diksha.gov.in to see some videos and do some good home activities with your parents. Be happy and be safe. A very goodbye, children. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.